Imagine a hidden threat lurking in the quiet corners of nature, carried by tiny creatures often unseen. This threat, known as hantavirus, can emerge silently, bringing serious health concerns to unsuspecting communities.
This virus doesn't jump directly from rodent to human, but rather spreads through the air we breathe. When infected rodents shed the virus in their droppings, urine, or saliva, it can aerosolize, becoming a silent danger as fine particles float in disturbed areas.
Once inhaled, the virus begins its insidious work, often mimicking common flu symptoms at first. However, hantavirus can rapidly progress to a severe respiratory disease, filling the lungs with fluid and making breathing a desperate struggle.
The good news is that preventing hantavirus is largely about awareness and precaution. By sealing up homes, cleaning carefully, and avoiding contact with rodents and their nesting sites, we can build a strong shield against this hidden danger.